been trying to figure out what to do for a video to post this Friday. Today's Wednesday and I was laying in bed this morning and I thought I'll do a vlog. So you will join me for the day. If you want, you can always leave, of course. Today I'm going to finish filming a video with my friend Zola. It's for a partnership with Claw Lab. So we tufted some rugs. And then I think I have some editing to do, and then I might have some time to make this lighter case that I started like a week and a half ago, and I've been really wanting to get back to it, but it's just been so much computer work that I haven't really had time to create with my hands recently. I did make a bee sun catcher actually like last week. I think that was the last thing I made. And then I have a meeting for the nonprofit that I'm in. And after that, I think I'm going to continue working. I don't know what, we'll see. I feel like when you're self-employed, there's always like 50 things you can be doing. It's kind of just a matter of figuring out what is priority and being forgiving to yourself. There's a few other things to it, but right now I'm going to go to my favorite coffee shop, maybe do a little computer work. And Zola will also be there, so I will whisk her away so we can finish this tufting video. Is a good man? What is a good man, please? Yeah, that's way better. Wow. Right? That's so. Yay!
For places like these corners on mine, I would cut.
Oh, okay. I'm not burning myself at all. Am I just used to burning my hands with hot glue?
You are. Yeah. And you can cut out like big and then trim it.
Should we just slowly get closer to the camera? I forgot I have therapy today in about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna eat something.
A tiger has approached. Will she steal my heart? Yes. Come here. So soft.
I got distracted and ended up filling up my bike tires with air, but I haven't used this bike in probably 7 years. So now I feel like I have to go give it a test drive. I remember how to ride a bike, and I do have a helmet. I just had to walk in it. Oh my goodness, forgot I was recording. Okay, I finished everything except for the script that I have to revise. I've been trying to figure out how to revise this one sentence for like 30 minutes. Ugh, I just have so much to do and I don't want to do anything right now and I just want to be outside. Okay. Are you sending less than 30 orders out a month in your small business? Then I have a free shipping solution for you. I need to somehow word that so that you know it's not just a free shipping solution, that there's other plans, but I want to focus on it being a free shipping solution if you have a really small business and you only want to ship 30 things, or if you're only shipping up to 30 things. So how do I say that without it becoming like a boring pitch? Are you saying this means you can switch to a profile a month? So what I do is I write out my script and then I go to my stopwatch and I press start and I read out the script so that I know how long the video will be. Too long. Out. Okay. If you send less than 30 I don't have anything to lose. Yes! I finished everything I need to do right now. I have to be at a meeting at 4, so I'm going to get ready. I was just about to leave, and I thought I would fill up Vienna's food bowl, and this is what I did. I got slippery hands. I don't have time to clean this up right now. Hey, so I should... You're very loud, please. I have so much video editing that I should do. Hear me out. I really want to clean my apartment. It's a little bit out of hand for me because I can't find things if there's things on surfaces. So I'm going to clean my apartment for 30 minutes. That's all I get.
Premium butter.
I was just thinking about how sad I was that I was out of butter.